Hello everyone, here's Maljaka again with Jenner 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Today is day 9 of your 21-day challenge, and we will be doing glutes, all right? So today is a women's only day, not just kidding, but I am prepared for you guys, for you ladies, to work these amazing muscles that we all love. But let me tell you the most important thing about these muscles. They support your whole body. They are there. If you don't know, they're the biggest muscle of your body. So it is important to keep it healthy. And today we're going to use the mat because we will be on the floor to work the glutes, and we will use one plate. So get it ready and let's get this party started.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
All right, you might know that song, so it's time to get sassy, okay? We're gonna just dance and move and have fun as we warm up, yes? Awesome. So again, I give you some steps to warm up, but you do you, okay? You do you. Let's go. Have fun. Good. Leave the knee. Nice. Awesome. Coming forward, forward. Forward. Take it back. Back. Do it again. Forward. Forward. Take it back. Good job. Now open. Open. Good job. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Open to the left. Okay. Good. Bend those knees. Good job. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it down here. Awesome. Good. As you keep your chest aligned with your hips, your glutes work more. Yeah? Good. Awesome. That was fast. That was good. So, at this point, your body is ready. Okay, let's get down to the floor. Pick up a plate. Yes, for ladies. I said it before. We're gonna bring the heels close to your body and then gently put your plate right there. We're gonna pulse for 3 and come back down. Pulse, 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 and back down. That's just to warm up, okay? Ready? Here it comes. We're gonna stay up for 7. Ready? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Do it again. 7, 6. Just the way you are. Yes. Remember, in here, we're trying to understand how exercise feels and get ready for more without any fear. Yes? Good. Is the burning already? Me too. Okay, 2 and 2. Up. Up. Down and down. If you're doing this right, you're already feeling them, okay? That's what we want. Up. Up. Beautiful. We are. Oh, yay. Okay, go up and hold. And take it down slow. We're gonna do it again. Up and hold. Slow down. 2 more. Nice. A simple exercise. And you're feeling it, right? Okay, now slow. Now listen to me. We're gonna open a little bit wider those heels. Just to target the mid glutes muscle, okay? A little bit to the outside of the glutes. We did it slow, right? Now pulse for 3, 3, 2, 1, and up and down. 3, 2, 1, and down. You are just that way you are. Okay, everybody. Now, how about we stay up? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Do it again. Just the way you are. Nice. Again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it one more time. Amazing. Just the way you are. Good job. Oh, we have more. We have more. Come on. Don't quit on me. Don't quit on me. Don't quit on yourself. One more time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Yeah. Yes. Done. Do you feel it? It's burning, and that's exactly what you're looking for. The burn. Because the burn is your best friend when you're building muscle. Okay, dear friends, we're gonna go and get ready for the stretching portion of this class. So, as we always do, we're gonna take the shoes off.
I wanna talk to you.
And we're gonna get ready for it. Okay, let's begin by going onto our backs, okay?
I wanna talk to you.
Put one foot down.
I gotta talk to you.
And the other foot, you're gonna place it, basically the ankle, place it on the knee.
Let me hear
Use your hand to push away. To make sure you have an elongated hip flexor here. And then reach through that hole and pull your bottom leg. You can keep your chest here if you want, or you can drop it. Now the most important thing is using this elbow to press the knee away.
I wanna feel that grace.
Breathe in and breathe out. Remember, you have to give it time to relax. Because as you feel that
I wanna
tension,
feel that grace.
as you relax, the muscle becomes more flexible. Yeah? And then you get all the liquids of the workout out of there. So let's change the legs.
Touch the ground.
Yes. Push the knee away,
I
reach
wanna
through.
see your face.
Awesome.
I wanna feel that grace.
Feel the grace, love it. You can come closer if you want for a deeper stretch. Inhale, exhale. Nice job. Relax down. Roll up. And let's do 2 more stretches, this time on the floor. So we have done this one before. This is what we call half modified lotus. You place the heel on the opposite knee and push with this elbow down.
I wanna talk to you.
Yes. Until you feel the nice
I gotta
stretch.
talk
Yeah?
to you.
Breathe in and breathe out. Good job.
Let me hear your voice.
Remember again, you're just relaxing there. Try relaxing this leg. The pressure is just here.
I wanna talk to you.
Good. Let go for a little bit and then undo.
Oh, let me talk to you.
And then change it to the other side. Good. Now you have
I
it.
wanna talk to you.
Press down. Good job. We did it. Just stay there, even in silence. Breathe in. Breathe out. Press a little bit further. And then you are officially done. Thank you so much for being here again. My name is Maljanka. We did glutes today. And with this, we finish a series. So tomorrow, day 10, we will restart again from squats all the way to glutes. And the day extra that we have, I'll have some surprise for you. Okay? So take care. See you tomorrow. And don't forget to leave your comment below. Take care. Bye.